Alright, Daisy, you ready to help me out?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. We're gonna mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Okay, pick one name out. Just one.
What?
This one? Okay. Can you open it?
Yeah.
Open it up. And see what name is on it. You turn it around. Turn it this way. Amanda! You say yay!
Yay!
Alright.
And more papers.
Yeah. Look here and say, good job, Amanda.
Good job, Amanda.